Dear friends, today I will discuss a section from chapter 22 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. Okay, so today's section is section 135 and its title is Convention Applications. Fine. So let us proceed through our subsections. Okay. Subsection 1 says this subsection is considered without prejudicing the provisions of section 6. Prejudicing is we can say its literal meaning is affecting harmfully. Fine. So that means without affecting in a harmful manner, harmful way for the provisions of section 6, we can start and proceed with this subsection. Okay. So just for remembrance, what is section C? The title of section C is persons entitled to apply for patents. Fine. Okay. Let us start. Application for a patent in a convention country is same as the, or we can say it is the basic application. Fine. The date on which the basic application was made, okay, and we can say this date is the starting date or the earliest date. Okay. And within 12 months, okay, and within 12 months, the person who has applied the basic application or the assignee, okay, or the assignee appointed by him applies for a patent, and we can say the priority date of a claim of the complete specification, it can be defined as the priority date must be is the date of making the basic application, and the claim is based, or we can say the claims are based on matters disclosed in the basic application. Fine. A claim is based on matters disclosed in the basic application. Okay. Now, with citing or by the citation of an example, we can explain this in a more clear manner. Fine. So here there is one invention. Fine. Okay. And this invention is applied in many convention countries. 1, 2, n number of countries. Fine. Okay. Now, here the period of 12 months referred, we can say here the period of 12 months referred, just a minute, referred shall be reckoned or calculated from the date on which the earlier or earliest of the said applications was made. Fine. This is the gist of subsection 1. Fine. Okay. Next one is subsection 2. Here what we have mentioned, here 2 or more inventions in 1 or more convention countries. Fine. These are, we can say these inventions are cognate, or we can say that one is a modification of the another. Fine. And these inventions are applied in different convention countries. That means more than one. 1, 2, n number. Fine. So more than 2 countries, we can say. Country, that's why we have written as country n. Fine. If this is the situation, then a single convention application as per section 10 may be made with respect to the inventions within 12 months from the date of the earliest of the application for patent protection. Fine. Also, just a minute. The requirements of clause B of subsection 1 of section 136 shall, in case of any such application, apply separately to the applications for protection with respect to each of the invention. Fine. Here, clause B, it specifies the date on which the convention country in which the application for protection, the first of such applications was made. Fine. And here I have written here in red inks, please take a look. Fee for such cognate inventions equal to fee for one single invention. Fine. Next one is subsection 3. Application filed under PCT, that is Patent Cooperation Treaty, designating India and claiming priority from a previously filed application in India. Subsection 1 and 2 shall apply as if the previously filed application were the basic application. Just a minute, I'll read it again. Application filed under PCT designating India and claiming priority from a previously filed applications in India. Subsection 1 and 2 shall apply as if the previously filed application were the basic application, provided that a request for examination under section 11B shall be made only for one of the applications filed in India. Fine. So just observe the underlined words and all the subsections are, I think they are much clear till now. Fine. And here for reference I have written section 11B is request for examination and section 10 is contents of specifications. Fine. So this way friends, all the subsections of section 135 are completed. So please go through my video. Please share the video among your friends. Please take a look at the barract as well for a more clear understanding. And please put your queries, compliments and comments in my comment box. And please subscribe my channel with pressing the bell icon so that I will upload more and more videos which will prove a benefit for all of us. Okay friends, thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. I am telling it again and again because definitely I will be more encouraged. Okay, thank you so much for listening to my audio, and thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you so much.